Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add credit card on Dhgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the search bar, as you can see. Also, we have the all categories that you can go and check out. And in the top right corner, you have, as you can see, your orders. We have recently viewed stuff, your favorites, and the shopping cart. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a credit card on Dhgate. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, you need to go to the search bar. And here, when you're in the search bar, you can go and click on some things that you want to probably buy, for instance these shorts, and then when you go there, you can click on any shoes that you would like, and here you need to go and change the color. So pick a color and choose an option for that, for the size and for how it, and then you just need to go and click on buy it now. When you go on buy it now, there guys, at the buy it now option, you can go and add your credit card. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So guys, as you know, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, as I said. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.